Today's episode is a very important episode where we learn the important expression الفاس هتقع في الراس, an expression that we use a lot on daily Egyptian. So, let's start.
كده لازم نلاقي حل قبل ما الفاس تقع في الراس والدنيا تبوظ حوالينا.
Let me say the phrase again for you but slowly. كده لازم نلاقي حل قبل الفاس ما تقع في الراس والدنيا تبوظ حوالينا. Know this important expression. قبل الفاس ما تقع في الراس. This is an important expression and I'll tell you all about it. But just don't forget to download my free Egyptian 101 ebook. You will find the link in the comments and also in the description box. الفاس هتقع في الراس or قبل الفاس ما تقع في الراس. الفاس it means the axe. Okay, axe. And الراس it means the head. Our head. يقع to fall. الفاس تقع في الراس it means that the axe is falling on the head, hitting the head. So when we say الفاس هتقع في الراس, this is an expression, an Egyptian expression, meaning actually that things will be chaotic, dangerous, and out of control. So when we say قبل, which is before, قبل الفاس ما تقع في الراس, before the axe is hitting the head, or before things go out of control or are chaotic or dangerous.
كده لازم نلاقي حل.
Knowing this important expression, now let's start this phrase from the beginning easily and without any complications. Just we will say it word by word. قبل كده لازم نلاقي حل. So كده لازم نلاقي حل. كده it means that this way. لازم نلاقي حل. We must find a solution. Okay? لازم is must in Egyptian. يلاقي as a verb it means to find. نلاقي we find. Okay, so this is a conjugation of يلاقي with we. So we find. لازم نلاقي. حل is a solution. So لازم نلاقي حل it means we must find a solution. And كده here is a filling word that I say always when I give always this important information about filling words in my Zoom sessions. In my accelerator, you can find more information in the description box about this all in one important course. So كده here it means this way. So كده لازم نلاقي حل. This way we must find a solution.
قبل ما الفاس تقع في الراس والدنيا تبوظ حوالينا.
Now, قبل الفاس ما تقع في الراس, as I told you before things go out of control. So كده لازم نلاقي حل. We must find a solution before things go out of control or before there is a disaster that we cannot handle. Okay, so Egyptians love to say these kind of expressions. Okay, الفاس تقع في الراس, which is an expression, it means things go beyond control.
قبل ما الفاس تقع في الراس والدنيا تبوظ حوالينا.
Now let's move to the last part of this phrase. والدنيا تبوظ حوالينا. الدنيا it means the world. Okay, the world. And الدنيا is a very important word in Arabic language and also in Egyptian. And I have a specific episode about الدنيا in my channel. You can also have a look above and look at the link above for this particular episode about the meaning of الدنيا or الدنيا. Okay? والدنيا or والدنيا تبوظ حوالينا. تبوظ, يبوظ, it means it gets chaotic or it gets distracted or it gets exploded. تبوظ, it's not longer working properly. Okay, دنيا تبوظ meaning that things will go chaotic and will go not as planned and it will be very chaotic everywhere. الدنيا تبوظ, things will go wrong, will go out of control. حوالينا, around us. Around us. So الدنيا تبوظ حوالينا, things will be chaotic around us or will not be controlled by us. So this is how this phrase is is explained in detail with the Egyptian expression. Now let's recap very fast. كده لازم نشوف حل. Now or then, this way we must find a solution. قبل الفاس ما تقع في الراس. Before the axe is hitting the head. Before it gets out of control. والدنيا تبوظ حوالينا and the world is getting, or the things are getting chaotic, or the environment is getting chaotic around us and we cannot control the things that are being done anymore. So it's out of our control.
كده لازم نلاقي حل قبل ما الفاسفة تقع في الراس والدنيا تبوظ حوالينا.
I hope this detailed analysis of this phrase is easy for you. I'm sure when you read the translation or so, you might not get exactly the meaning, but I hope I am adding something more insightful into the understanding of this phrase and similar phrases. If you have any difficulties, just comment below or ask me any question. Don't forget also to like and subscribe to Linguamid. Don't forget to download your free Egyptian 101 guide. You'll find the link in the comments and also in the description box. And if you find this interesting, share it also with your community. Thanks a lot and see you in a future episode.